from Uber Eats, right? You know we go out every fucking night. And this one more, we were fucked up. We were so hungover, we couldn't leave. But we had to put fuel in our body. And I'm like, Dave, don't worry about it, dude. I'll get some bacon, egg, and cheeses from the Uber Eats. And he's like, it's going to suck. This is going to be a disaster. I'm like, nobody fucks this up. So it was called like Egg Place or some shit. And I'm like, yeah, I'm just going to get a couple bacon, egg, and cheeses, a couple of Yoo-Hoos. And we're waiting. We're waiting like an hour. And it finally comes, right?
An hour?
Yeah, it finally comes. And I run to the door and I grab it. He's like, how much was it? I was like, $40. I open it up. And Dave looks in and he's like, that was $40. And it was one bacon, egg, and cheese that's like spread apart. And they put a fucking orange on it. And I'm like, this is the worst meal.
It was one piece of bread.
One bread.
It wasn't even sliced in half all the way.
Well,
And the orange was just like thrown on there?
It was an orange.
And there was an orange on it.
Wedge. Why? It's a bacon.
The only thing they did right was give us 2 Yoo-Hoos.
It's like in the drinks when they put like the garnish.
It was so horrible to look at.
How do you have 2 sandwiches? We have one piece of bread.
They're like, sorry for your missing bread. Here's an orange.
Right. It was the worst experience of my life.
Take 2.
that's crazy. So I think we should order from this place. I can see it from here. I think you guys might have been there before. They have really good sushi.
Oh, I know what you're talking. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, they're not
I
bad.
think it's called Potbellies.
Yeah, what is it? Potbelly?
That's what everybody thinks it's called, yeah. Yeah, that place is
It
great.
should be called that.
That place is great. It's one of my favorite restaurants in the world.
You know, I actually had no idea what that restaurant was until like a couple weeks ago when Jules took
Because
me.
he just moved down here a few months ago.
Yeah, dude, it's so amazing. Their sushi is so
Yeah.
good.
they-
Rolling.
All right, time for us to do the third version of this drink. This is going to be the most exotic way to make this drink.
Where is it on the ranking? Favorite, least favorite?
I would say it's my second favorite, but it's definitely the weirdest version.
Weirdest?
Yeah, weird in a good way.
Okay, okay.
We're actually going to stir this one instead of shaking it or building it. And we're going to do this right in this mixing glass right here. First, we're going to start off with some bourbon. Again, just like last time, but this is a different bourbon. It's called Old Forester. It's a higher proof. Let's measure it this time. We're going to do 2.5 ounces. This is 2, and this is a half.
Perfect.
Perfect. Put this back on. Now, instead of sugar, we're going to use maple syrup. This is grade A. And about 2 bar spoonsful. So that's about it.
Sugar, I definitely wouldn't expect that.
Right? And instead of that bitters, we're going to use chocolate bitters.
Chocolate. This
do-
is a very sweet drink.
3 dashes. 3 to 4. And now what we need is this ice. A little more. And our mixing spoon. I'm going to just mix this up like this. Do you want to give the stir a try again?
You know I can't do it. but
Let's see. Let's
I'm
see if
gonna
you
get
learned
it
it
this
all.
time. All right.
Hey, not bad.
That's looking better.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Hey, I'm learning from the
It's
best.
literally our second attempt at stirring a drink. This is like my 25,000, so I better master it.
Yeah. I need a lot of ways to go before I can get on your level, honestly.
You'll get there, I promise you.
How long do you stir it for?
You know, it depends on how much ice you use. I didn't use that much ice,
Okay.
but we're almost done. Usually I would say 30 seconds on average.
30 seconds.
That should be okay. So now all we need is our Hearthstone strainer. Again, this is the one that actually fits on here perfectly. And I fucked up, boys.
Sorry, what else do you need?
I should have lit that on fire before I did anything.
Oh, before you...
Yeah, and you know what's a blessing in disguise because this ice is no good, and the big giant cube I had is now tiny as fuck, so I would have fucked up anyway.
Okay.
But
Do you have another one of those cubes?
yes, it's in the freezer.
Okay.
This is still, the drink is fine. This is perfect. Save this for later.
Yeah,
camera's cut.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Ooh, fuck. All right. Ha! And I'm ready.
All right. Rolling.
All right, let's get down with our second version of this drink. This is actually my favorite version of the old fashioned.
Okay, great.
Yeah, we're gonna make it in this whiskey wedge glass, and we're gonna shake the drink, and we're gonna strain it over this giant ice cube in here. Let's see. Let's use this pint glass. And instead of scotch, we're gonna go ahead and use bourbon. This is Bullet Bourbon, one of my favorites. And I'm not gonna measure it. I'm gonna eyeball it. I never measure my favorite way.
But then how do you know?
It's perfect, believe me.
Okay.
Pay
He's the one
attention to
that
these videos and you'll know exactly why. So, oh, I fucked up. I'm sorry. I fucked it up.
How'd you fuck it up?
I fucked it up. I should have done the sugar and everything.